I built castles in the sand. When I was young, I'd watch them crumble in my hands when the tide was up. But now I'm older and one glance of yours is enough to hold the secrets of the sea. 'Cause when you look at me, I see the waves against the shore. I see an ever open door. I see your home that's glowing warm through any weather. I'm watching galaxies collide, the moon and stars by candlelight. I see your face and know we can face them all together. So baby, I wanna look in those eyes forever.